The Junior Chamber International Senate Philippines Incorporated is now giving an opportunity to recognize those honest and loyal Filipino households in the country that help us on our daily lives.
The search for the top 5 model employees of Filipino household was officially launched. The project was dubbed as Kasambahay Kasambuhay Pilipinas Awards. This project aims to recognize those honest and loyal household service workers or kasambahays in the country. The event is open to all yayas, katulongs, cocinera, lavanderas, chupers, jardineros, and all other household helpers. JCI Senator GP Valencia said that this is open to all Filipino household workers in the country as long as he or she has been serving his or her employer more than 10 years and it is important also that he or she don't have any criminal record at all. Under the instigation of the Junior Chamber International Senate Philippines Incorporated, the project was launched to give honor to those household helpers that helped us on our everyday household lives.
Kasama natin sa buhay ang mga yan. And in fact, this is the least credited workforce. Diba? Hindi na bibigyan ng recognition itong mga to eh. There's awards for doctors, engineers, even teachers na meron. Then we recognize them, the government recognizes them. But none for kasambahays. So they are taken for granted. So, in fact, kung iisipin nyo, sino ba pinaka-loyal nating worker?
Meanwhile, the award of trophy, 50,000 cash, money, and a trip for two to Palawan for a 3-day vacation sponsored by Palawan Express Pera Padala. The criteria for judging will be 50% on Filipino values, and the other 50% will be on the inspirational story of their lives.
Nakikwentuhan kami, naisip namin na bigyan ng recognition itong mga kasambahay.
For those who wish to join the event, you may submit your participation forms at any Palawan pawn shop outlet and the approval of your employer will be needed. For Newsline World, Joma Santos, Sunshine Media Network International.